of 2020 of UPSC CSE. So here we have the question, that is, evaluate limit x tends to pi upon 4 tan x to the power tan 2x. So the solution goes here like this. First of all, that is, first of all, checking the limit, that is, it is of which form. Now, since limit x tends to pi upon 4 tan x to the power tan 2x equals tan pi upon 4 into tan 2 into pi upon 4. So this is equal to 1 to the power of tan pi upon 2. Now this equals 1 to the power of infinity form. Now, as this is of this form, since 1 to the power infinity is an indeterminate form, now therefore we have to evaluate it. So according to the formula, that is, according to the formula, if x tends to a, f of x equal, or that is, f of x tends to 1 and g of x tends to infinity, then we have the formula, that is, limit x tends to a fx to the power of gx, that is equal to e to the power of limit x tends to a gx into fx minus 1. Now this is the formula, and according to this formula we have to solve this problem. So here we have the problem. Now for solving this problem we have to put the values in this formula. So we have this equal to e to the power limit x tends to pi upon 4 tan 2x into tan x minus 1. Now this becomes e to the power limit x tends to pi upon 4 tan 2x into tan x minus tan pi upon 4. So this becomes as, we have to do something for this term, because tan x minus tan pi upon 4, that is equal to tan x minus pi upon 4 into 1 plus tan x tan pi upon 4. Now further this becomes e to the power limit x tends to pi upon 4 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x into tan x minus pi upon 4 into 1 plus tan x tan pi upon 4. So further this is equal to e to the power limit x tending to pi upon 4, and this is 2 tan x over 1 plus tan x into 1 minus tan x into this is tan x minus 1. So this part and this part cancels each other with minus 1 here. So this becomes e to the power limit x tending to pi upon 4 minus 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan x. Now further, this is equal to e to the power limit or putting the limits, that is, we are going to put the limits. So we will erase this part. Now further, after putting the limit, we have this as e to the power of minus 2 tan pi upon 4 upon 1 plus tan pi upon 4, or this is equal to e to the power minus 2 upon 2. This is equal to e to the power minus 1. So we have finally this as the answer to this very problem. So thanks for watching, and hope you like this video. So please stay tuned for the solutions to these types of questions or previous year questions of UPSC CSE Maths optional paper. Once again, thank you.